Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So guys, in today's video I'll be sharing with you guys how to make this simple waterfall jacket, and this video is very beginner friendly. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share, and make sure you watch the video to the end. So the first thing to do is to fold your fabric into two by using your hip measurement plus 2 inches allowance, and then after that you measure from your shoulder to the chest line, which is 10 inches, from shoulder to under bust, which is 14 inches, and then from shoulder to the hip line, which is 23 inches. That's what you see me marking out now. So I'm just using my ruler to draw the doing right now. And pot earlier, and then I measure whatever I have left on the remaining fabric, but make sure it's not less than 18 so it can fall very well. So I'm going to place my measurement tape measurement there now, and then I'll measure 18 just to curve the upper part of the front piece a little bit before I connect it back to the bottom part of the back that we cut earlier. If you don't understand, just follow what I'm doing. So what I'm doing now is just marking I have 19 inches here, so what I'm marking now is the 19 inches to curve the upper part a little bit, then I connect it back to the bottom part of the back piece that we cut earlier. So I'm just using my chalk to trace it again so you guys can see it very well. So after that, I'm just going to take my scissors and then cut out the front piece as well. Then now I take my back piece and then one of the front piece and I place it right on top of each other with the right side facing each other, and then join the shoulder together by half an inch. So you take the other piece as well and do same thing. You join it together with the right side facing each other, and then you join them by half an inch also. So So after that, we join the sides together. We join the front and the back side together like this. And we also join the other side together as well like this. And for the neck area, we use our bias binding to turn the neck area inside like this. I'll show you guys now. So you flip it in again and then you sew it like this. The reason we are using bias binding is because we want the jacket to be very neat, since we are not putting lining or we are not using double materials. So the best way to make sure your work is neat is by using bias binding to fold the neck area like this. So for the front area, we're also using bias binding to turn in the front area as well. You guys already know the purpose we are doing this, just for our work to be very neat, both inside and outside. That's why we are using bias binding to turn everything in. So we repeat same thing for the other side of the front. Remember, the front is cut into two, it's two pieces, so we repeat same thing for the other front as well. So the last thing is to use our bias binding to turn in the armhole area. We are almost done, guys. So we use same method that we use for the neck area and the front area, then we use same method for the armhole area as well. So I just use my bias binding to turn in the armhole area, just like this. So now I'm ironing every seam. After joining everything together, make sure you iron everything out, every seam, so it can be very neat and firm. Ironing make work to be very neat, so make sure you iron your work so it can be neat and firm. Yeah, so guys, this is the end of today's tutorial. I hope you guys find this video very helpful. If you find it very helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and please share my video so guys, for other people as well to learn from it. Thank you so much guys for watching to the end. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.